Hi, DeAndre. Wynn here with Ring and SEO and Digital Marketing. First of all, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to make this short custom video that Tony promised with tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence all on your own and in return bring in better paying customers for the services you prefer the most, and they are ready and able to purchase those services. So let's get on with it. So going by your Yelp page, I see that you guys have a lot of different services that you are doing. So we're going to go over a few things. I'm starting off with this website right here. I know that you don't have a website, but when you do get a website, all these tricks are going to work for you. I see you guys have been in business for about 7 or 8 years, which is great. I found your listings in a lot of different directories all over the web, so I know that you really care about your business. Let's go ahead and talk about Google and what you're missing out on, though, by not having a website. So let me let you know that there's over 8.5 billion searches every day on Google, and a lot of them are for your exact same services in your exact same area. So all Google is doing is connecting the people who are searching for your services with the websites that it thinks are the most authoritative. Now let's talk about how you build your authority with Google. First of all, you want to have a beautiful website that's easy for people to navigate. You want to have a drop-down menu. Ideally, I prefer if it stays sticky at the top so that people can always get to it very easily. You want to have multiple places across your website for them to be able to navigate. I like to have a list of your services with all your back pages here in the middle that link to your back pages. Google really likes that. The next thing that's super, super important is going to be content. Now, to Google, content is king. You want to have around 1,500 words of content on every page that you want to rank. So your home page, all the services you really like the most, location pages where you also talk about the services you like the most, you make the most money on. So content is definitely king. Now, not only do you want to have the content on your web page, but you also want to have your images saved in a particular way. And that's going to be the buyer intent location keywords, such as kitchen remodeling, Cleveland, Ohio. Now, they do not have them saved this way, so I'm not going to show you on this one. I think maybe there's one picture that they did, might have been. So they're missing out on that opportunity. Because it's those keywords, like design, build, remodeling in Ohio. It's those keywords that let Google know exactly how and what to connect the people searching for you to. So let's go ahead and go look at some numbers, DeAndre. So this is Arabs. It does tell me a lot about websites and what Google is seeing. So let's talk about the most important thing on here, and that's going to be the UR and DR. Now, the UR is this website's trust with Google, and the DR is their power with Google. Now, the way they get this is through backlinks. And all a backlink is where you have a link from their website to your website, and it transfers power from them to you, or power and trust, depending on the website. Now, if these were great backlinks, these numbers would be closer together. That's what we call the golden ratio. And so if they have the perfect amount of power and trust, these numbers will only be 1 point apart. So even though they do have a lot of backlinks, they have 300,000 and anyway, I can't really do that number right now. I'm just kidding. So over 300,000 backlinks from over 1,000 different websites. So if these were really great backlinks, then they would be higher on their UR and DR. Now, I also want you to notice they do have 912 keywords they're being found for. So that means they probably have a blog, they have a huge website. And the next thing I want to show you is they have over 800 people coming to their website on average a month. So that's what having a really great website is going to do for you. Now, I'm not saying that all these people are gonna purchase from them, okay, DeAndre? We're not saying that. But let's say 600 of these people are calling them, and they're actually scheduling out services months in advance. What would that look like to your business if these people were just calling your business and wanting to work with you, and you don't have to do anything else but answer the phone. So the last thing we're going to talk about today is going to be the Google My Business or the Google Map Pack. Now, the reason this is important is because besides ads, this is going to be the first thing that people see. And the Google My Business, these 3 listings right here share about 25% of the search history for kitchen remodeling in Cleveland, Ohio. Now let's go ahead and go look at how you get to the top of the Google Map Pack. So the first thing is going to be citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different places across the web. Whether that's going to be social media like Facebook and Instagram, or the Better Business Bureau, or literally the thousands of directories, and you already have your name on some of those. You want to make sure that your name, address, and phone number is the same across all the citations and also the Google My Business page, so there's no confusion for Google. The next thing you're going to look at is images. Every time you do a job, take some pictures. Go ahead and upload it to your Google My Business page. You also want to save the images just like you did on the website with the location specific buyer intent keywords. And then you also want to geotag your pictures, so that way Google has no problem identifying that you are doing those services where you say you're doing them. All right. Next we have reviews. Reviews are super important to Google. They really want to connect their customers with the people who are doing the best job and they feel have the most knowledge about their business. So you want to get as many 5-star reviews as you possibly can, obviously. We do have some tricks we can talk about later on how to make that easier for you to get reviews. Now, if you do happen to get a review that is anything less than a 5, try and respond back to them as quickly as possible. We recommend within a day. Google really likes you to be active on your Google My Business page. Really looks good to them. And then lastly, we have our business description, and you have up to 750 words, and you should utilize that as much as possible. There are free websites like wordcounter.com where you can put in and see how many words you're using. And you really want to list out all your services, the ones you like the best, because you do have a lot of services. And if you have a website, you can probably niche down a little bit if you wanted to and be making a lot more money and be doing less work for that, by the way. But also in your business description, you want to put why you're different than your local competition. So those are just the few of the things that we do and that will get you to the top of Google. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, DeAndre. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we would really appreciate some feedback on this video. Take care.